Scotty, what are we doing?
We are just now finishing bleeding the brakes.
Beautiful.
They are all done.
There you go.
So now the new pads are in, guide pins, everything's bled. Oh shit, I gotta top everything off.
Top it off. Top it off. Top it off. Toppy, toppy. Oh, it's pretty good.
Oh wow, okay, I guess I could use a little.
Yeah, I could use a dash up there in the front bowl, but... Jesus.
Oh yeah, this thing is so tight, it's ridiculous.
All right, so a little bit there. Yay, we got brakes. That makes me happy. That's done. What else we got here, buddy?
I don't know, did we let everybody know that's all pretty much done, minus the
programming
programming and everything?
Yes, that's done.
Okay.
Oh.
That's all taken care of.
Yeah, so we'll handle that. Yeah.
And what did I do with the lid? What did I do with the lid?
See right there.
I swear to God, dude,
It's hot again, and
Yeah.
we're losing our mind.
Okay.
All right, we
Just so that I know to double check everything.
we'll double check
before
that. That's good.
And then we're prepping for air conditioning. If you want to go to the passenger side, I'll show you.
Yes. Yes.
I've got everything kind of laid out in its perspective spots per bag, so I know exactly where to route everything,
Yeah, look at
which would be
that.
super cool. And passenger side is pretty much cleared out, cleaned up, and ready to go.
Nice.
Because once the AC box is in, I can route these three and get
Beautiful.
these taken care of, so that they're one's for the light for the dash, the other one's for the alarm. Which we've got the sensors. I might as well just shove them in,
Yeah,
just
have them
so
there
that
ready.
they're there, kind of deal.
So it's complete.
But yeah, we're getting there slowly.
Looking good, dude.
And I was even. Look at that. It's all fed back in. It wasn't that way when we got it.
Ooh, parking
Yeah, there
brake's
was-
nice again,
15 minutes worth of hell.
but it's done.
Yep.
Nice.
Everything's pretty much routed. I mean, I do things a little bit differently. Like, I know this is one junction for lights and everything, so I just zip strapped it together a couple times, so it'll be snip, snip, snip. And I'll only undo what I need to, so that it keeps everything tight like it needs to be. I did the same thing for the dashboard ones. I've just got a little bit left to go here.
Gotcha.
And when we're done with the Javelin, I need you to help me push the centerpiece in so that I can put the lock on and start putting the steering wheel back on. Because that's all done. I don't have the physical strength to do that.
Gotcha.
I just
Yeah, it's
don't.
gonna take both of us. Okay, no problem. Yeah,
So
we'll do
out of that, we're
window motors come tomorrow, but we're not here, so we'll probably get them Monday.
Yep, and I'll get those
that'll
finished.
Get that done, and then yeah, gung ho.
And the offer on if you know what I bought, I'll buy you one, is still valid. But it's only valid for 30 days. And
Gotcha.
today is, what is today? Today is
7th.
September 7th, 2023.
Yeah.
So you have 29 days left to figure out what I bought.
Ooh, that'll be fun.
Yep.
Off topic, but fun. Well, kind of maybe on topic, but
Maybe. It might
Progress.
be on topic.
Progress.
It might be. You never know. You won't know till you guess. And yes, I will. If you guess right, I will take a picture of what I bought and show you what I bought, and I will get you one, so that you have one as well as I do.
Ooh,
So.
fun and games with Scotty.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And no, it's not a butt plug to shoot the cat.
I know we had that conversation.
Yes.
Anyway, okay, cool. Guess what time it is? Quick lunch, because then we got
Food.
Yeah, because we got to be at Tom's in 20 and a half minutes.
Okay, so we'll grab lunch and adios, guys.
All right.